Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore the future of artificial intelligence and creativity. If you're into mind-blowing tech experiments, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Today, we're diving into something absolutely wild. I created a virtual influencer using only AI tools in under 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right. From the face, voice, style, to even the social media personality, all generated with AI. Let me show you how I did it. Step 1. Define the influencer. I wanted someone relatable but futuristic, so I used a POV AI to generate the look. It lets you create hyper-realistic characters and customize everything from face shape, hairstyle, expression, even clothing. I chose a Gen Z-style female influencer named Luna, with pastel pink hair, trendy outfits, and big expressive eyes. I gave her a background too. Luna is a digital fashionista from the metaverse who loves sustainable tech and AI-powered beauty. So now, we have the look and story, but what about the personality? Next up, I used ElevenLabs to generate a natural-sounding female voice. It let me tweak the tone and style, soft, engaging, and a bit bubbly. Then I scripted her intro line, "Hey fam. I'm Luna, your AI fashion guide in the digital universe." Using Captions AI, I synced her voice to her avatar so it looked like she was actually speaking. At this point, she looked good, sounded real, and had a vibe. Now we needed content. I imagined Luna posting a short TikTok introducing herself. To do that, I went into Leonardo AI and Midjourney to create 3D background scenes. A sci-fi city, a virtual runway, and a clean, neon-lit studio. I used Runway ML to animate these backgrounds and composite Luna into them. She says, "Today's look is inspired by Cyber Tokyo streetwear. What do you think?" With some transitions, music, and text overlays, we had a 15-second TikTok-style intro post, and it looked legit. I uploaded Luna's video on a fresh TikTok and Instagram account. In 12 hours, she got over 2,000 views and 300 likes. Some comments were like, "Wait, she's AI? Okay, this is scary good." Or, "When's Luna dropping her fashion line?" Honestly, I didn't expect that much attention. It got me thinking, are virtual influencers the future of social media? They're always on, never age, and never mess up. But it also raises some ethical questions like, will brands start replacing real influencers? What about authenticity? Will fans know or even care? So after 24 hours and 5 AI tools later, Luna was born, and here's what I learned. You can create an entire digital persona using zero code. AI tools are shockingly easy to use, and this is just the beginning. But here's the big takeaway. The future of content isn't just human anymore, it's hybrid. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, drop a comment on what I should do with Luna next, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing AI experiments. Thanks for watching AI Unlocked. Until next time, keep your creativity unlocked.